So today we have a painting to do. I have to paint this little puppy. Well, it's not little, it's like a grown dog, but it's someone's pet. So they asked me to paint a picture of their loving dog, and I'm going to do so right now. Alright, well, let's get started. Okay, so before I start, I just want to say that this is the first time painting a dog, and I might be saying that it doesn't really matter since I'm a painter and I'm capable of painting anything. Kinda. This might be a challenge because painting something for the first time means that I may face new challenges and discover new techniques, because there's a first time for everything and I am self-taught. So it might be a little intricate, but I will do my best like always, and we'll see how it ends. We just have to trust the process. It's so shiny this morning. My room's so shiny. It's the next day and this is what the dog looks like so far. Honestly, not bad at all, but this is where the real problems starts. This, fellas, is a cry for help. Cause why on earth is the nose and the eyes not coming out the way it should? I couldn't afford to lose motivation, so I painted somewhere else until my art block decided to unblock. Okay, so as I was to pack up everything, as I was about to pack up everything and to start again next week because I have school, I looked at my calendar and realized that I have to give this up before next week, so I have to finish it tonight. I mean, I don't have much to do, only the paws and maybe to add some shade and the collar and the eyes, and then maybe fix up in the background a little bit. That's all I have to do. I don't have much to do, but I'm kind of tired and I have a lot of schoolwork to do. We'll figure this out. Now this is where the problem is. The paws. Everything about the paws just went so wrong. The outline of the paws, the shape of the paws, even drawing the little toes or whatever, it just made me want to scream and throw a tantrum. I have never felt this hurt before.
What are those?
Yeah, this gotta go. Even though I knew how terrible they looked, I know for a fact that it was because I was tired and lazy. So this is what I gave to the dog. I feel so bad. I think the dog probably feels so hurt. On top of that was the eyes. I have no idea why they did not come out the way they supposed to, but I had to improvise. I had to do a little something, and this is how it came out. I still have to fix the paws, but other than that, I think it came out really neat and okay. I still do believe that I could have done a lot better, but it's my first time. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.